What's going on, guys? Jay that drain guy. I got Logan behind the camera. I got my sump pump here. This picks up the groundwater from outside, and I'm going to be using my Milwaukee Transfer Pump and my vacuum, and I'm going to pump out all the water, and then I'm going to use the vacuum to clean all the sand and debris at the bottom of the pit. Alright, so I got my hose that's going to feed my inlet. I got my garden hose here that's going to be the outlet. And then we just got to put the battery in. So I like to use my Forge battery. I believe the 12.0 will actually fit in here as well. Not exactly 100% sure, but it just has a button down here that'll pump in. So I'm gonna hook this into my drain in my bathroom, and then that's gonna actually pump out through this sewage ejector pump here and go out to the main. This is all storm water. All right, so I got my garden hose hooked up into my washroom drain, and we're gonna suck out this water here. It runs quick. I do this every year. Never thought to make an actual video of it. I don't want to use the pump to get all the water out, just because I think there is a bit of debris in there. You guys can see the water's dropping down pretty quick. Not super quick. I'm also using a small garden hose. And then, like I said, we'll use our vacuum to get all the debris out after that. All right, now we're gonna use our vacuum to suck all this debris out. So that's that. Now we're just going to give it a little wash down. Oh, I got to get that band out of there. Logan, can you shut that water off for a second? Okay, turn it back on. Now we're just going to let this fill up, and we'll make sure everything pumps out good. So I think the water's got to get to about there. Probably going to end up fast forwarding this. Actually, you know what I think I'd like to do? I actually have a 12 HD12 battery in the vacuum. I'd like to see if that actually fits in this pump. I never actually tried it. This is high output HD. Oh, perfect. Yeah, so there you guys go. If you guys ever check out this pump and you guys got any HD 12s with the M18, it'll fit in there no problem. I like these Forge batteries. We're almost up there. So once that knob right there gets up and turns that pump on, we'll see that everything pumps out good. So that's the inlet from outside, and that pipe there is actually from our floor drain. That's the way they did things back in the day when this house was built. So we just want to make sure that it's going to pump out by itself without me touching the pump. That pump probably could be lowered a bit, actually, now that I'm looking at it. You guys can see that little switch is moving. Yeah, once this pumps out, I'm going to lower that pump, that float. Okay, it just kicked in there. So you guys can see the water dropping while I got the hose on. Gonna shut off in a second. And there it goes. Alright guys, I want to thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think in comments down below. What do you think of the pump? I think it works pretty good, but that's just me. You guys know, got the Milwaukee vacuum. Yeah, until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy. That's Logan behind the camera. Trog now.